Welcome to a day in the life of a student small business owner. Hi everyone, it's me again, Sel, and I just had a successful first event of the year. Evening of January 21st, madami na agad akong sinimulang gawin. Then the next evening, inagahan na namin yung paggawa ng mixture. Ang ginawa namin per day is 20 to 25 cups of donut butter, then 10 to 15 for the pancake. Tinapos na rin namin yung milk drinks para ma-ref na agad. Talagang walang tulugan for 4 nights para sa event na to. Dinistribute ko na rin yung task na gagawin namin para mas mabilis kaming matatapos and makapagpahinga kahit ilang hours man lang. Luto ng donut, pancake, croffle, tapos magta-toppings pa and magpapak. Pinaghandaan ko talaga tong first pop-up bazaar ko this year kasi ito yung compact ng business ko sa loob ng university namin. I missed many opportunities kasi noon since I don't have any permits yet, pero luckily, complete na lahat ngayon. I have so many plans with my business pero dadahan-dahanin ko muna as of now kasi graduating na ako and masasabay yung internship ko. By the way, if looking kayo ng concessionaires, feel free to send an email. I've been receiving a lot of sponsorship packages, kaya lang hindi yun yung hinahanap ko kasi hindi naman po ako makakapagbenta. More on showcasing the brand kasi yun. So syempre as a small business owner, every peso matters. Best deal for me yung makakapagbenta ako ng products ko kasi umaasa lang din naman ako sa free marketing gaya ng pagpo-post sa social media platforms. So yeah, after all the preparation, nag-aantay ng tambak na hugasin. Ito yung booth namin nun sa FEU. Hindi na natuloy yung paglagay ko ng design pero okay pa rin naman siya tingnan. Thank you so much FEU IABF Student Council for having us, and thank you Tamar House and other people na nasa FEU para mag-entrance exam, so na-try rin nila yung products natin. We're open nga pala for bulk orders and resellers, so just message me on my Facebook page for inquiries. That would be all for today. Again, thank you sa lahat ng bumili, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.